Samsung has always been a market leader for Android phones. This is certainly true for its flagship lineup. However, Samsung has produced some of the best mid range Android phones to cater to the needs of its customers. Hi, welcome to another brand new video. In this video, we'll talk about a newly launched mid range smartphone device by Samsung, the new Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. The phone was launched in mid April and comes with a lot of features at a price of only $526. Now, the question is this phone a good mid range phone to buy today? Let's first discover what this phone has to offer, and then I'll answer the question. The new Samsung Galaxy A73's design comes with very few and minimal differences from its predecessor, the Samsung Galaxy A72. Samsung has performed some changes to the overall look of the phone. However, the design chemistry remains the same. The design of the Samsung A73 comes with a plastic back and an aluminum frame going around the body. The phone has a good build and weighs 181 grams only. The colors being offered for A73 are gray, mint, and standard white. Samsung has ditched the headphone jack, which means no more wired headphones. The front camera unit is inbuilt into the screen, and the 4 camera setup at the back protrudes very slightly, which makes the camera bump noticeable, but not in a bad way. The phone has an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance, which means you can hold your phone 1 meter below the surface of the water for up to 30 minutes. The phone comes with a large Super AMO LED display of 6.7 inches with a camera punch hole at the top. This display provides you with a fine resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, and the screen has a brightness of 800 nits that is sufficiently usable even under direct sunlight. The fingerprint on the new A73 is inbuilt into the display and has quite a sharp response. The phone comes with a display refresh rate of 120 Hz for even better and smooth functioning. A Corning Gorilla Glass 5 has been added as a shield for this amazing display. This time, Samsung's A series came with a great addition to its previous year's A series, and that is the 5G network capability. 5G is a revolution in the realm of networking, and now the new A73 allows you to connect with the world at an even faster speed. The chipset that Samsung has offered in the new Samsung Galaxy A73 5G is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 778G 5G. The 778G is a gaming chipset and is specifically designed for users who want to take healthy output out of their phones. This means no more gaming lags. There are 2 RAM options and 2 storage options on the new Samsung Galaxy A73. The options and storage combinations are 6 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage, 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage, and 8 GB of RAM with a handsome 256 GB of internal storage. I know you must have been waiting for me to share what's the camera situation on this phone. Without wasting any more of your time, I'll give you the good news. The phone has a 32 megapixel camera inbuilt into the screen. The selfie camera has a fine mixture of brightness and sharpness in the photos, so no complaint there. Coming to the back camera setup, that is as good as the front camera, or I'd say even better. The 4 camera setup at the back has a main camera of 108 megapixels, an ultra wide angle camera of 12 megapixels, a macro camera of 5 megapixels, and a depth sensor of 5 megapixels. For a mid range phone, these numbers are quite strong, and the results produced are brilliant. A phone that's so strong requires a handsome battery capacity. The new Galaxy A73 comes with a 5000 mAh battery and a fast charging of 25 watts. A good battery with fast charging. What else do you want? If you're still guessing what's the verdict, well, if you're looking for a reasonable mid-range phone, then go for the new Samsung A73 5G. I know there are phones which offer some more features, however, A73 is a complete package. That's it for the video. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Till then, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.